Good evening, everyone. So it looks like that New Year rally has just begun, and this market is, in a very strong upside movement. If we just analyze the chart, it looks like that after this low, Nifty has created this bottom, this new low here, and since then we are in a continuous uptrend. And this bar here looks that it has kind of ignited this upside movement. So it has just cleared this nearby resistance. And if you just check this in the weekly time frame, even this time frame, it doesn't suggest that there is any strong resistance to the left nearby. However, when prices will reach around these areas, then we might see some kind of reaction. Uh, so after this bottom, after this pivot low, which is around 16,300, this market is continuous in an uptrend. This weekly bar is still under formation, but let's just assume that if it will close at its high as it is looking right now, then that will suggest even further upside movement from here. So as I just talk about this level here, which is this pivot high around 18,200. So this is the next level of resistance, or the area of resistance where Nifty has to reach after clearing this high. Now, after no, as these highs are cleared, it means that Nifty is no more in a downtrend. Now, how can we say that Nifty is not in a downtrend anymore? Because by definition, a downtrend means when prices are making lower lows and lower highs, which this market is not making or has stopped making after this new low. So, does it mean that we are in an uptrend in this market? Well, no, because by definition, an uptrend means when prices are making higher highs and higher lows. So the question will arise that if we are not in a downtrend or in an uptrend, then what kind of a trend this market is making? So this is where these moving averages, comes handy, because they will help in speeding up the analysis. And the way this declining 20 and 50 MA are crisscrossing each other, it suggests that the markets are in a sideways movement, which is like somewhat like this. So a sideways market can be created in multiple ways. So this is one variety which we are seeing right now. Let's just clean this up. So no, we have to wait until the market comes in a complete uptrend and start making higher highs and higher lows. Till then, we might see some upside movement and a pullback and whipsaws here and there. But as of now, it is very clear that our Nifty has stopped making a downtrend, and which means that we might see a further upside movement tomorrow, or a rest, a resting day or two, and then probably it will start its upside movement again. Talking about the intraday chart, this hourly chart doesn't have any pivot to the downside, and such straight moves, often leaves the void below. So again, what is the void? It simply means that there is no strong support, below to stop the prices moving further from here. So we do not have any pivot or strong support in hourly chart. So that suggests that in case if, let's say, this resistance area will start its effect and prices will turn from here, then probably it can fall more than what we have expected. However, that doesn't look like the case as of now, because it looks that markets are running in a very bullish movement. So let's just see what happens. And as I have mentioned earlier also, a basing below resistance. So let's say Nifty will start making somewhat consolidation for 2-3 days, and then if it will just shoot up to the upside, that is even more bullish, and that will suggest that prices will take out even these highs also in future. So all in all, as of now in this market, things are looking quite bullish. So let's just clear this up and let's see what is happening in the Bank Nifty. Okay, so again, Bank Nifty has also cleared these immediate resistance level. So let's just adjust few support and resistance in the weekly time frame. Okay. So in this time frame, in Bank Nifty, uh, prices looks they are quite far from the next level of resistance. So this means that it has even further upside room to go. In daily chart, we have around 37,300, which is the next level of resistance where prices will has to reach, and we are still below the declining 50 ms. So as compared to Nifty, this market has to work still a lot to come in a sideways movement, because uh, after clearing these resistance, we have this major resistance over here, which is around 37,300. So until and unless we will clear these areas of resistance, we will remain in a downtrend. And talking about the daily time frame, if we are below the declining 50 mA, which is this moving average, I would not suggest to go long, in terms of holding in this market. Again, in case of the intraday charts, we do not have any strong pivot to the downside. So just take care of the intraday based on what is happening on the hourly time frame, the trend where the markets will open. We will take the trades accordingly. However, by and large, the markets are looking bullish, and they are making the bullish movements as of now. So this bar is still under formation, and this would be the next level here, which is around 37,600, which 37,600 is somewhere at these areas. So in let's just adjust this a little bit. Yeah. So this is the resistance area, and once these resistance areas will get clear in Bank Nifty, then we have a very clear upside movement. So I think after this continuous bull run, we might see some kind of consolidation or pullback. And let's just say that if prices will catch up with this declining 50 MA, then probably we will see some sort of declining in prices or the pullback, and then probably we'll see the upside movement. So if let's say prices will open gap up tomorrow, or let's just say that they will reach at this resistance area, then wait for the right confirmation for the intraday trades. And if it clears these highs also tomorrow, then probably we will see more strong bullish movement in Bank Nifty. So that's it, guys. That's in today's analysis. Hope you have enjoyed it. If you're learning from these videos, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. So catch you in the next session. Take care. Good night.